What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I'm feeling like it's soup weather. It's cold outside. I was just talking with my coworker the other day about making some soup, and I saw some butternut squash in the store, and I was like, yep, that's it. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna make. Now, have I ever made this before? No. Am I still gonna make it? Yes. Will it be poppin'? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. So if you want to see me attempt a butternut squash soup, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is wash your squash, obviously, and then you are going to cut it up. The reason I chose to cut my squash is because I thought it would bake faster, and I think that happened. I'm not going to show you me struggling to cut this, but you get it. So cut up the squash. Then I cut a half an onion, and then I've got a couple cloves of some garlic. I'm going to make sure it's saturated in olive oil, going in with some smoked paprika. I've also got some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. There's some salt going on, and then I've got some thyme. And then I'm also going to go in with a little bit of some sage. So then I'm adding some cherry tomatoes, just last minute addition, mixing everything really, really well before popping it into the oven. This was after 40 minutes. I just turned the vegetables and then put them back in the oven for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You'll just kind of depend on how soft it is. Now I am adding all the vegetables to my Vitamix, and I did remove the skin from the squash, but technically it's all edible, so you can add the skin and you can even blend the seeds. So this is about a half to a quarter cup of some vegetable broth, and this is low-key where I messed up. I added way too much coconut milk. It kind of made the soup sweet, but honestly, I didn't really mind. So I'm just blending it until everything is well combined. This is what it looks like. And then I just plated it, and then I went back with some toasted sourdough just for some texture, and y'all, it was pretty poppin'. So let me know in the comment section below what you think when you make this squash soup.